If you work with files in Google Drive, knowing how to preview them quickly can save you a lot of time. Instead of downloading every document, image, PDF, or presentation, you can open files instantly right inside Drive and check exactly what you need. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to preview files in Google Drive on the web, plus a simple alternative method if you prefer using the right-click menu. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Google Drive tips and software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Drive in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once you're on your Drive homepage, find the file you want to view. This can be a document, spreadsheet, PDF, image, or almost any supported file type. Now here's the easiest method. Simply double-click the file. As soon as you do that, Google Drive will open it in preview mode. This lets you see the contents of the file without fully opening it in a separate editor or downloading it to your computer. That's especially useful when you just want to quickly check what's inside a file before deciding what to do next. For example, you might want to confirm a document title, scan a PDF, or look at an image before sharing it with someone else. If the file opens in preview, you'll usually see tools at the top or side of the screen depending on the file type. From there you can zoom in, move between pages, or inspect the file more closely. This preview feature is one of the simplest ways to stay organized and work faster in Google Drive. Now, if double-clicking isn't your preferred method, there's another easy way to preview files. Go back to your Google Drive file list and right-click the file you want to open. When the menu appears, look for the option that says Preview. Click Preview and the file will open in the same preview window. This is a great alternative if you like using the context menu or if you want to be extra sure you're not opening the wrong file. It works in the same way and gives you instant access to the file contents without downloading anything. One helpful tip is to use preview mode before sharing or editing a file. That way, you can make sure you're working with the correct version. It's also useful when your drive is filled with similar file names because preview lets you verify the contents immediately. If you deal with lots of files every day, this small habit can save a surprising amount of time. And that's really all there is to it. To preview files in Google Drive, just double-click the file or right-click and choose Preview. It's fast, simple, and perfect for checking files without opening or downloading them. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.